LEED version 4 is the next exciting step in the continuous improvement of the U.S. Green Building Council's Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, LEED, rating system. LEED version 4 includes a comprehensive technical update to rating system requirements, as well as significant work to improve the reference guide, forms, and documentation. The development of all aspects of LEED version 4 has relied on collaboration with our dedicated volunteers and membership community. This engagement has enabled USGBC to balance the technical stringency of LEED version 4 with market feedback and to make key refinements and improvements to our program tools and resources. Over the next few minutes, we'll introduce you to some of the other exciting changes in LEED version 4. We'll start with Dion Glasser, Director of LEED International Technical Development, who will provide an overview of the global reach of LEED version 4.
It should come as no surprise that after more than 10 years in the marketplace, LEED is global. Today, LEED is used in more than 135 countries. In a world full of green building rating programs, LEED stands at the front of the line, representing the global standard for green building best practices around the world. The development of LEED version 4 has provided a great opportunity to further the mission of USGBC on a global scale. In the new rating system, project teams will find greater flexibility and recognition of regional context by allowing for regional and local equivalencies to typical reference standards. Project teams will also experience a greater ease of use through the integration of metric units into all tools and resources. In the future, we will continue to maintain LEED as the preeminent global standard for green building, demonstrate commonness among LEED and other valuable green building standards in the market, and provide regional solutions to complex environmental problems as they arise.
Next, we'll move to Corey Enck, Director of LEED Technical Development, who will discuss the broadened reach of LEED version 4 as it relates to various market sectors within the building industry.
In addition to the growth LEED has experienced globally, projects now use the LEED rating system on a wider variety of project types than ever before. From stadiums to convention centers, commercial offices to hospitals, each space type has unique needs and challenges when using LEED. LEED version 4 addresses 21 different market sector adaptations, including new and existing data centers, new and existing warehouse and distribution centers, hospitality, existing schools, existing retail, and mid-rise residential. Each of the adaptations were reviewed by market leaders either owning or designing or operating those space types to identify the unique needs to that market and appropriately address those needs within the revisions to LEED version 4. Let's take data centers as an example. Data centers are a project type with unique needs that can be addressed by LEED more appropriately. Data centers have very few occupants. They're also huge energy users. A data center can use as much energy as a small town. Whereas a typical building is designed to meet heating and cooling needs for occupant comfort, a data center must provide massive cooling power for its servers. Water use is also a key target area for data centers if the facility utilizes water for cooling. These specific building needs are built into the data center adaptation for LEED. By bringing data centers and other market adaptations into the suite of LEED rating systems, we're removing barriers so that even more facilities can participate in LEED.
With an understanding of LEED's global reach and ability to better accommodate a wide variety of project types, we can now discuss the priorities driving the specific changes to technical requirements within the rating system. With us is Chrissy Mackin, Assistant Program Manager of LEED version 4, to provide an overview.
What do we want LEED projects to accomplish? This is the central question that has driven our technical development for LEED version 4. As a market transformation tool, LEED engages building project teams in a way that connects strategies to a defined set of goals, or the things we ultimately want LEED projects to accomplish. LEED's goals are referred to as impact categories. 7 impact categories have been selected to provide the framework for the technical development of LEED version 4, as well as future versions of the system. USGBC wants LEED projects to do the following: reverse contribution to global climate change, enhance individual human health and well-being, protect and restore water resources, protect, enhance, and restore biodiversity and ecosystem services, promote sustainable and regenerative material resource cycles, build a greener economy, enhance social equity, environmental justice, community health, and community quality of life. The impact categories provide an ambitious agenda for the buildings industry that is readily actionable when presented in the simple LEED framework: prerequisites, credits, and points. Projects earning a higher number of points are positioned to deliver a set of performance outcomes that span the impact categories in an integrated way. The LEED certification structure is designed to incentivize progressively higher credit achievement and, in turn, progressively higher compliance with credits whose outcomes accomplish the system goals.
The development of LEED version 4 has spanned more than 3 years, engaged hundreds of volunteers, and thousands of stakeholders around the world. LEED version 4 has the potential to drive the reduction of building carbon emissions and take a stronger stand on human health, more so than any previous version of LEED. The LEED version 4 user guide, available at usgbc.org/LEEDv4, provides an in-depth overview of the program and its changes from previous versions of the rating system. We invite you to explore this guide and get to know LEED version 4.